Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. I got a really crazy video for you guys. I know you love the Lil Durk tutorial, so I'm going to show you guys how to mix Lil Durk vocals with stock plugins. It's about to get crazy. It's super easy. Let's jump right into it, man. I'm working on my free template. If you don't have a template for recording in Logic or in Pro Tools, check out my free templates down below, man. They're going to completely change the game for you, completely change the way that you record, really inspire you to make some great songs right away. All right, let's jump into the track. You've actually already heard the song. We worked on it in the other video, but I'll play it back. Then I'm going to remove everything I did, take off Instant Mix, and just work on, using the stock plugins. So let's do it.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. No selling.
All right, bet. As you can hear, it sounds great already. So let's go ahead and start getting rid of stuff. I'm going to take off the VMRs. The only thing I am going to leave on is the waves tune, just because, I'm going to keep the vocals tuned. But everything else, here I use the crispy tuner. But any kind of auto tune, I'm going to leave that on. But anything else is going to be all stock plugins. So I'm just going through and I'm just turning off everything that's not a tune plugin or it's not a stock plugin. All right, and then we'll just turn off all of these. Boom. This is just a tonal balance control. It's just showing me where the balance is between the different frequencies. So let's hear it now with no effects on it, really.
For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my. For the call your phone, you ain't.
Bet. I mean, honestly, you can listen and it still sounds pretty good. And it's just because we recorded this really, really well. If you're having trouble getting your songs to sound good with no effects, check out my masterclass down below. It's really going to help you out. All right, so let's start adding some effects, man. I'm going to actually mute the ad-libs because we're not really going to mess with the ad-libs too heavy. I'm going to mute the ad-libs and then we'll grab the channel strip from Avid and jump into it. Let's go right here. All right, cool. The channel strip is here. I'm gonna actually dial in the compression first, and then I'll mess with the EQ. So let's go.
For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro.
Perfect. Easy to dial in. The compression sounds good. It's nice and transparent. I'm good with that. Let's jump to the EQ. I know there's like a mid-rangey, kind of upper mid-range, not quite high, but upper mid-range frequency that I'm kind of hearing that I want to dig out. So I'm going to search for that first with a sweep.
For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different.
It took me a second to find it, but yeah, it's right in there. It's kind of a nasally sound I'm not really into. So let's dig some of that out. Also, we're going to do a low shelf just to roll off a lot of the low end here. Boom, something like that. Let's hear what that sounds like.
For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up shit.
And honestly, man, that's just compression and EQ. And the vocal already sounds solid, like it's sitting where I want it to sit at. I'm going to go and add the BF76 to my parallel compression channel and see if I can get a parallel compression going next to what I have and see how that works out for us.
For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. I just love my bro. For the call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit.
And while I'm here, we got a little bit of time. Let's go ahead and add a reverb to it. We don't really have any reverb. I got rid of the virtual Verb Suite Classics. So let's add a deverb and see if we can get some ambient, some space.
Finna call your phone, you ain't.
Let me go with let's go with the plate, but I want it longer.
Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit.
If you don't hear it on the second half, it's because they're on two different tracks. So I'm just copy this same send setting to that reverb, the reverb setting to that channel. Let's hear it now.
Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro.
I think I want to add just a little bit more air. I'm going to go up to probably like 12K or so. And I'm going to just add maybe 2 or 3 dB up there. Just see if we can get a little bit more air from the vocal.
Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different.
That's what I was looking for. I also want to dig out a little bit more of the low, mid, maybe in the 3 to 350 range. Let me hear.
Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro. Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro.
And really, man, it's that simple. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you're using Waves, you're using Slate, you're using UAD, you're using stock plugins. It's all about the technique and the skills that you have. These are the things that I'm teaching you week in and week out, man. If you want to learn more, drop me a line down below, man. My email's there, or get in the comments. There's a lot of great things happening in the comments. Remember, I'm Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Finna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit, hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just lost my bro.